Hello everyone and welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In this video I will show you how to stop the IMDb app from sending you notifications. IMDb app can send you out quite a few notifications, including, for example, notifications for featured trailers. This can become an annoyance, and some people will delete the app from their phones. There is a better way to deal with this. Open the IMDb app by tapping it. Tap the profile icon at the top right hand side. Tap the gear icon. Tap Notifications. Now you should see a list of 5 options. Each can be turned on or off by tapping the slider. Turn on or off the notifications that are bugging you. Once done, you can close the app or tap the left arrow to the previous menu. You have been watching a how-to tutorial from David Reilly. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To receive notifications about every new video, you can also turn on the notifications bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care everyone.